Hello. For my 4.4 demonstration, transforming learning with digital practices, I have chosen to attempt Kami for the first time to integrate a learning tool. In my Intro to Health Science class, the goal of this lesson is for the students to access explorehealthcareers.org. And here's a quick example of what that looks like with multiple careers that they can choose from. And then once they're on it, all of the career information. But the goal is for them to choose 2 careers that interest them. And then they are provided a fillable checklist PDF, so like a PDF that's fillable, and that is integrated directly into Canvas using Kami. If you've never used Kami before, neither have I until today. And it actually is working very well. It's ideal for this situation because it allows students to interact with the assignment as they work on it. They're going to be typing in some responses, but they're also going to be down here checking some boxes, and they could highlight text. And they don't have to do any sort of uploading or downloading of the document and then re-uploading for it to submit. So it's super accessible and it works directly in Canvas. It helps with technology issues of students not being able to download, not being able to type on the document, or not being able to upload the completed document. This way, once they are done, this is just a test practice student, but they can hit submit, and submit will go directly to the speed grader in Canvas, which is also really important for me as the educator to see that it's been submitted and be able to give feedback through Canvas on that speed grade tool. The assignment here is kind of like the beginning of the 4 C's. They are beginning their critical thinking. They've actually done a little bit before this assignment is going to be given to them of other exploration, but they'll continue their critical thinking with career exploration and reflection questions about how long would they have to go to school, what kind of responsibilities would they have, what kind of salary would be given for jobs that they choose. And then they're going to continue more specifically with creativity and with collaboration in future assignments where they're going to be picking one specific career after the exploration of multiple careers, which is part of this. They will do a final project, creating either a Canva poster, a PowerPoint, or even doing a verbal presentation. And then there's going to be a collaboration piece, kind of set up like this class with the discussion post and what they learned, and then sharing different career fields that they were interested in so their classmates can collaborate and read through those and share conversations back and forth through a discussion board. So this is just the beginning with the Kami integration, but through this whole lesson process, I have learned a lot about Kami, a lot about Lucid Whiteboard, and then I have also been now working with Canva, and I'm going to plan to use that a few days after this assignment. So this core class was very beneficial for me, specifically learning what all of the other teachers in the class are using for different technology integration.